Hey you guys, Erin here at EatMoveRest and welcome back to our kitchen. So you guys asked for more recipes and we are here to deliver. So if you guys like these plant-powered recipes, I'd appreciate it if you'd give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're not already part of the EatMoveRest fam, we'd love to have you here, and make sure you've got that bell clicked, that'll turn on your notifications and you'll get alerts whenever we put out brand new content here. As always, leave me some love in the comments below. Let me know what you thought, and let's get cooking. So this past weekend, Dusty and I hosted our second ever EatMoveRest one-day wellness retreat, and it went off without a hitch. One of our fan favorites was what we call our Cauliflower Power salad. So we're gonna share that with you guys today. It is packed full of raw foods, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So why Cauliflower Power? Well, two reasons. Number one, we're incorporating shelled edamame, which is super high in protein. And number two, and possibly more important, this salad is super high in cruciferous veggies. This particular category of vegetables is high in a compound called sulforaphane. And what that does is prevents and wards off cancer. So we love our cruciferous veggies. They're part of our top 7 foods to eat daily for optimal health. We'll link that video up in the corner or down in the description below. And they're also on Dr. Greger's Daily Dozens. So incorporate as many as you can. Some examples would be cauliflower, cabbage, both purple and green, and then broccoli. You've also got kale, collard greens, Brussels sprouts, turnips, radishes, the list goes on and on. For this recipe, you will need a food processor, and your ingredient list will include 1 head of cauliflower, 1 head of broccoli, about 1 cup of shredded cabbage, 1 cup of shelled edamame, 2 medium-sized carrots, and to boost the flavor, you'll need about 3 tablespoons of liquid aminos. For starters, you can always add more until you get the desired flavor that you're looking for. Liquid aminos is actually made from non-GMO soy. That's the important thing. You want to make sure that you're getting non-GMO and or organic whenever consuming soy products. And the awesome thing about it is that it has 16 essential and non-essential amino acids in it. So this is a great soy sauce alternative. So for your purple cabbage or red cabbage, we're going to be using a mandolin, and this just helps us to get a uniform and consistent, super thin slice. You don't need a mandolin. They're pretty inexpensive though. You can also just use a knife and cut as thinly as you like. This is an arm workout. I need it, right? So you can see just how thin the slices are here, and that's what you're looking for. This will make the red cabbage a lot easier to digest and chew. It won't be quite so crunchy and chunky. We usually process our cauliflower in 2 separate batches just to make sure everything processes evenly. We're gonna go ahead and pulse until we get a rice-like consistency, and you don't wanna go too far past that or it will get too watery. So you can see it's still fairly dry and crumbly, but it's almost like the consistency of rice. That's what you're looking for. Next up, we're gonna process our broccoli to the same consistency as the cauliflower. Next up, I'm gonna process our carrots, and I'm adding on a different blade to our food processor. If you don't have this, then you can also just use a carrot peeler and make carrot shreds that way. We're just gonna turn this on and then go ahead and stick the whole carrot in the chute. Look at how bright and beautiful this is gonna be. We're gonna have so much color, so much nutrition packed into this dish. Final step, once everything is processed and prepped, is to pour everything into a giant mixing bowl. You can use a spoon, or even better, use your hands and get messy. This salad is best eaten when fresh. It tends to dry out a little bit in the refrigerator, so I would recommend 1 to 2 days max, and you can see it made quite a lot, so this would definitely be something you could bring to a family gathering. This dish tastes perfectly delicious by itself. It also goes great on top of a salad, on top of rice, or in a wrap. You can do so much with it. And like I said, you can also add more liquid aminos for extra flavor. And the last thing I want to mention is that if you guys enjoy this Asian inspired type of dish, then you might also enjoy our raw vegan pad thai. I will link that below in the description. So if you guys at home can't wait to try this cauliflower power salad, give this video a thumbs up. And like I said, if you haven't already, subscribe here to the EatMoveRest channel. Join the fam, we'd love to have you here, and make sure you've got your notifications turned on. Leave me some love in the comments below. Let me know what you thought, if you modify the recipe at all, or what you might like and do a little bit differently. So be sure to share this with family and friends, and I hope you guys get to enjoy this deliciousness. Until next time, eat, move, rest, your best. Bye guys. Taste test.